Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of festive illumination, showcasing what many are calling the best cluster lights for your Christmas tree. The Brightown 1000 LED Outdoor Cluster Lights. These string lights not only bring a warm, enchanting glow to your holiday decor, but they also offer incredible versatility and convenience. Let's explore everything you need to know about this fantastic product. The Brightown cluster lights come in a generous 50-foot length, adorned with 1,000 bright LED bulbs that provide ample lighting for any festive setting. Whether you're decorating your Christmas tree, adorning wreaths and garlands, or brightening up your outdoor space, these lights are designed to impress. They create a stunning visual effect that can turn your home into a winter wonderland, perfect for Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving, New Year celebrations, and even birthday parties. One of the standout features of these cluster lights is their 12 different lighting modes. From steady on to slow fade, in waves to chasing flash, you have complete control over the ambiance of your space. You can easily switch between modes using the remote control, allowing you to customize the lighting to fit any occasion or mood. Imagine hosting a holiday party and adjusting the lights with the click of a button. It's all about convenience and creating the perfect atmosphere. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the dark green wire that blends seamlessly into your Christmas tree or any other greenery. The design allows for easy hanging and flexibility in arranging the lights. You can wrap them around tree branches, drape them across mantles, or hang them around door frames and windows. Their IP44 waterproof rating makes them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, so you can brighten up your garden or patio without worrying about the weather. For added convenience, these lights feature a timer function. They will illuminate for 6 hours before automatically turning off for 18 hours, ensuring that you never have to worry about remembering to switch them off. Additionally, there are 4 brightness levels: 100%, 75%, 50%, and 25%. This means you can easily adjust the brightness to suit your needs, whether you want a soft glow for a cozy evening or a bright display for festive gatherings. Another impressive aspect is the memory function. This feature allows the lights to remember your last settings, so when you turn them on again, you won't have to reset everything. It's these thoughtful details that make using the Brightown cluster lights a delightful experience. In conclusion, the Brightown 1000 LED outdoor cluster lights are truly a standout choice for anyone looking to enhance their holiday decor. With their impressive brightness, versatile lighting modes, easy installation, waterproof design, and user-friendly features, they offer everything you could want in decorative string lights. Whether you're creating a cozy atmosphere at home or dazzling your outdoor space, these lights will not disappoint. So, if you're ready to take your Christmas decorations to the next level, check out the Brightown cluster lights. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product insights and recommendations. Happy decorating, and we'll see you next time.